Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Fluke 971 is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who needs accurate and reliable temperature and humidity readings, whether you're a professional HVAC technician troubleshooting climate control systems, a building manager ensuring optimal environmental conditions, or even a homeowner concerned about indoor air quality and potential moisture issues. This device offers a user-friendly interface and robust performance, making it a go-to instrument for a wide range of applications where precise environmental monitoring is critical for comfort, safety, and efficiency. Number 5. SMARTRO SC42 Digital Hygrometer Thermometer. Experience the best in industrial-grade accuracy. Our device uses built-in Swiss sensors to detect subtle changes in humidity and temperature, updating readings every 10 seconds for precise monitoring. Easily check your environment with its large HD LCD screen. A simple touch activates the backlit display for 10 seconds, ensuring clear readings even in low light. Keep track of environmental changes with 24-hour and all-time maximum and minimum records. It helps you instantly identify fluctuations and maintain a comfortable atmosphere. Place it anywhere with its retractable stand, powerful magnets, or wall mount hole. It's perfect for a variety of locations, from baby rooms to greenhouses. Ensure your data is always accurate with manual calibration. You can easily adjust readings to account for placement or environmental factors. Enjoy precise measurements with tight tolerances for both temperature and humidity. It's pre-calibrated for reliable performance right out of the box. What we like. If you need the most precise readings for critical environments, this is your go-to. Its industrial-grade accuracy and Swiss sensors ensure you capture even the slightest changes. Manual calibration means you can always trust the data, making it ideal for sensitive applications like incubators or wine cellars. What people say. Easy to read numbers and graphs, and even has a light when needed. Shows temperature and variations. Has easy to read humidity section. Did not realize it had a magnet until I put it close and it basically jumped out of my hand to the wall, so I can guess it is a good one. Easy to set up and use. Bright display, when activated. Large display characters. Seems well made. Flexible mounting options, integral tilt stand, magnets and wall hanging slots. Number 4. Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter. Introducing the Fluke 117 Digital Multimeter, designed for efficiency and accuracy. It's your essential tool for a wide range of electrical measurements. Featuring Volt Alert technology, it provides non-contact AC voltage detection for added safety. This allows you to quickly identify live circuits without direct contact. It automatically selects between AC and DC voltage, simplifying your workflow. The low impedance mode ensures accurate readings by preventing false ghost voltage detection. This device measures resistance, continuity, frequency, and capacitance. It also captures minimum, maximum, and average values, giving you comprehensive data. With its large white LED backlight, you can easily work in dimly lit environments. This ensures visibility and usability wherever you are. It provides True-RMS readings for accurate measurements on nonlinear loads. Enjoy up to 400 hours of typical battery life without the backlight. What we like. For electricians and DIYers who prioritize safety and convenience, this tool is a must-have. The non-contact voltage detection lets you check for live wires without touching them, while the low input impedance prevents ghost voltage errors. Its large backlit display is perfect for working in dimly lit areas. What people say. The Fluke 971 is a compact and lightweight device, making it easy to carry around. It features a large, easy-to-read display that shows both temperature and humidity readings simultaneously. The device has a fast response time, providing accurate measurements quickly. Number 3. Fluke 116 323 HVAC Multimeter and Clamp Meter Combo Kit. Introducing the Fluke 116 323 HVAC Combo Kit, your essential tool for professional HVAC work. This kit combines a versatile multimeter and a powerful clamp meter for comprehensive measurements. The multimeter in this kit features a built-in thermometer, perfect for all your HVAC temperature testing needs. It ensures you get accurate readings efficiently. Easily test flame sensors with a microamp measurement capability. This feature allows for precise diagnostics on critical components. Its low input impedance helps prevent false readings caused by ghost voltage. You can rely on accurate measurements every time. The clamp meter measures up to 400 amps of AC current and 600 volts AC/DC. It's designed to handle a wide range of electrical testing scenarios. Experience accurate measurements on nonlinear signals with its True-RMS capabilities for both AC voltage and current. This ensures reliable data for complex electrical systems. What we like. If you're in the HVAC field, this combo kit is designed specifically for your needs. The built-in thermometer and microamp testing capabilities are essential for diagnosing issues with flame sensors and other HVAC components. It offers a comprehensive solution for technicians. What people say. Ease of use and accessories make this a must-have for a do-it-yourselfer when it comes to HVAC. Whether you're just checking a flame sensor or diagnosing whether it's a faulty gas valve. In fact, the very reason I bought it was because it has microamps that can help diagnose the flame sensor. The test leads are very nice. Actually need to replace them due to grounding the red one out between a 480V spade connector and the frame of a RTU, but the prong and the meter kept on doing its job after that event. Good deal, very high quality equipment for the money. I bought it to use it for my college automotive degree without spending the big bucks on the Fluke 88. I was extremely happy with it when I got it, and had no issues until I attempted to use the clamp on a 12V system. Number 2. Fluke 325 True-RMS Clamp Meter. Introducing the Fluke 325 True-RMS Clamp Meter. It's designed for accurate AC current, voltage, and resistance measurements, making your electrical work easier and more precise. With True-RMS sensing, you get reliable readings even with complex waveforms. This ensures accuracy whether you're dealing with linear or nonlinear loads. Its jaw opening allows you to measure current in conductors up to 30 mm without needing to touch or interrupt the circuit. Safety and convenience combined. An audible continuity sensor is integrated to quickly confirm if a circuit is conducting electricity. This feature helps you troubleshoot efficiently. This meter meets stringent IEC safety standards, rated for Cat 4 installations up to 300V and Cat 3 up to 600V, work with confidence in various environments. It offers 400A AC and DC current measurement, along with resistance measurements up to 40 kOhms. This versatility covers a wide range of your electrical testing needs. What we like. For professionals who deal with complex electrical systems, this clamp meter offers reliable accuracy. Its True-RMS sensing ensures precise measurements even with nonlinear loads, and the jaw opening allows for easy current checks without interrupting the circuit. It's also great for measuring frequency. What people say. The meter is pretty great, it's light, but also feels like you could smack someone around with it and it would be completely unscathed. What a quality piece of equipment. I have owned several multimeters over the years, but none of them were as well made as this Fluke. It is also easy to use and very simple to learn. I like the fact that I can use this one meter instead of having to grab 2 or 3 other meters because of different kind of measurements on the same project. Number 1. Fluke 1587 FC2 in 1 insulation multimeter. Introducing the Fluke 1587 FC, a powerful 2-in-1 insulation multimeter designed for efficiency. It combines essential testing capabilities into one robust device. With PI and DAR measurements, it helps you identify issues more quickly. The trended graphs provide visual insights, making troubleshooting faster than ever. Forget manual note-taking. Store your measurements directly to your mobile device using the Fluke Connect Measurements app. This reduces errors and keeps your data organized. The app allows for easy historical tracking of your measurements. This ensures you have accurate records for comparison and analysis over time. Achieve precise results with temperature compensation. The app helps establish accurate baselines, ensuring reliable and relevant comparisons for your work. This advanced tool is built for professionals who demand accuracy and efficiency. It streamlines your workflow and enhances your diagnostic capabilities. What we like. If you're performing insulation resistance tests, this is the ultimate tool for efficiency and accuracy. The Fluke Connect app allows for easy data logging and historical tracking, while the PI DAR functions with trended graphs help you identify problems faster. It's perfect for preventative maintenance and detailed electrical diagnostics. What people say. This is a brand new and well-packaged and especially functional IR tester and meter. It seems durable and the readings are accurate. It's feature-packed and versatile compared to Thai previous case. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.